multiplying decimals really is no different from multiplying whole numbers. So if you can multiply whole numbers, you can multiply decimals. Let me show you how it works. So if we have 3.8 times 0.4, for example, so we could set it out like this, and then we just multiply, thinking about the whole numbers. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 3 is 12. Add the 3 is 15. Okay, now the only thing we need to think about now is where to put the decimal point. Now, a common mistake is that students sometimes get mixed up with adding and subtracting, and they just put the decimal point in the same column. This is wrong. There's two ways to work out where to put the decimal point when you're multiplying. One is just to think about the numbers. So we've got 3.8 times 0.4. Now 0.4 is a bit less than half, so our result will be a bit less than half of 3.8. So if you think of 3.8 as nearly 2, so it will be a bit less than 2. So if we know that that's going to be the result, we expect that kind of value, there's only one sensible place to put the decimal point, and that's between the 1 and the 5. Clearly 3.8 times something less than half won't give us 15.2, it won't give us 152. It's not going to be so small that we'll get 0.152. It has to go here. Now, the safe way to work out where the decimal point goes, and the way that always works, is to count the digits to the right of the decimal points in the question. So here we've got 2 digits to the right of a decimal point. We've got an 8 here and a 4 here. So in our answer, we'll also have 2 digits to the right of a decimal point, the 5 and the 2. Let me do one which is a bit more complicated. So we'll do 0.0593 times 0.26. Okay. Now, when I'm setting it out, I don't even need to think about the decimals. I could just do this as 593 times 26, just an ordinary multiplication with whole numbers. So 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 5 is 30. Add the 5, 35. Okay, now I'm going to multiply by the 2, which is really 20, of course, so I've got to put my 0 here. 2 times 3, 2 times 9, 2 times 5, plus the 1 is 11. Just add this up. 8, 11, 13, 14, 3, 4, 5, and 1. So these are my digits. Now I need to work out where to put the decimal point. Now here the numbers are a bit difficult to understand, so it's a bit difficult to see exactly where the decimal point will go by thinking about the sizes. Although this is about a quarter, so you might be able to do it if you think about what's a quarter of this. But I'm just going to count the digits here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 digits to the right of the decimal point here, and 2 here. So that's a total of 6. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need another digit. Maybe 0, 6. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my answer here will be 0.015418. And that's all there is to it.